Hey guys, so I just want to give you guys some quick information on our motorhome and our towed vehicle that we will be using. This is a 2006 Ford E450 V10 Triton engine. It's a Jamboree by Fleetwood, and it is 29 feet long. So this right here is our towed vehicle. This is a 2004 Toyota Tacoma, 4-door, 6-cylinder TRD model. We usually pull this vehicle about 80% of the time on our RV trips. It's just useful and convenient having a vehicle that we can go around town, go to places, and usually go to places that RVs can't really go. So overall, we think it just makes the experience that much better. It is 9:01. We are ready. We're just waiting on mommy to get home from work. Got the kiddos over here sleeping. Hi, Fia. You gonna go to sleep? Okay, go to sleep, okay? Okay.
You're not sleeping right now.
Are you gonna go to sleep?
Yeah, just turn on the light.
Okay, no turning on the light, okay? Let's go to sleep so we can go to Utah tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, good night, guys.
Good night.
Love you guys. Let them sleep. Not much to do now but wait. Wait for mama. Hello, babe. You ready to go? Alrighty, guys. We are ready to go. Alrighty, guys. So we're here in the rest area between Baker's and State Line. Haven't given you guys a chance to preview guys the whole setup, but here it is. We're about 1 hour from Vegas, so after Vegas is gonna be another 3-hour trip from Vegas, but we're probably gonna stop at Vegas, get something to eat. Got the bikes in the back, the kids' bikes. We just took about an hour nap and we're ready to hit the road. Let's go check how everything is inside. Got the wifey here still sleeping. Hard worker. And we got the kids over here at the top playing. What are you guys doing?
We're doing a game.
What game is that?
Board game.
Board game? It's called Connect 4.
Connect.
You like that game too? Yeah?
And I'm using the red and Fias using the yellow.
You guys ready to hit the road? Yeah, you ready? Where are we going?
To Utah.
Yep, that's right. Where are we going?
Utah.
Utah, yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys.
First you, Fias.
Let's hit the road.
Here, first you. Because you're a girl.
Alrighty, guys. So we stopped here at Don Pedro's Family Mexican Restaurant. Try this place out after a long drive. Hello, guys. You guys ready to eat? Yeah? All right.
We're the only ones with masks.
Was the food good?
Stop. Look at my stuff.
It was all right. There it is again, Don Pedro's. But when you're hungry, you're hungry.
Quick stop at Chase. Mommy.
Alright guys, we're in our last stop for the day. We're still in the same shopping center. We've been here for like 5 hours. We wasted a lot of time, but here we are. The last stop is Costco. We're gonna get some tri-tip steak, some eggs. What else? Maybe shoes for Pia. And that should be it. Then we're gonna be heading to the resort. Let's go.
Going in Costco.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
So here we are guys, we finally made it to WILLOW RV Park in Hurricane, Utah. Straight ahead to the left, you will see the registration office. Now this park, I believe, is in a great location. Right across the street, you got Wendy's, you got 7-Eleven, McDonald's, you got a city market, and you also have a coffee shop. And it's about a 15 to 20 minute drive to St. George, and that's where all the restaurants and shopping centers are at. And it's a about 25-minute drive to Zion National Park. So we're pretty overwhelmed with all the driving and we're pretty tired, so we're just gonna go ahead and park this vehicle and set up. Alrighty guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick tour of our spot. It is spot number 2 at Willow Wind RV Resort in Hurricane, Utah. So here it is. It's actually right next to the restrooms. Let me tell you, it is a very tight spot. The restrooms are literally right next door. Here's the ladies. Here's the gentleman's restroom. You got the gym right here and the laundry. There you go, it's literally right next to the restrooms. And the spot here is actually very small, as you can see. We couldn't even extend our whole carpet here. It's actually one of the smallest ones that we've ever been. And we put this projector, which is nice. It keeps it more privacy in here from everybody passing by. But yeah, here it is, guys. This is our little get together at night. We did some bonfire, cooked some tri-tip steak on this thing. Here's the bag where we put all the bikes at. It does come with full hookups, water, electricity, and sewage. So we're gonna call it a day already, guys. It's been a long drive. We just finished setting up and we're both very tired. So we're just gonna take the rest of the day, just relax. That way we can be energized and ready to go at Zion National Park.
Woo! Look at guys.
Going in the tunnel.
Genesis 1:3. And God said, "Let there be light." I like the tunnel.
Yeah, we're gonna go back. Alrighty, guys, we're at Canyon Overlook Trail. It's a little bit of a mission to get parking, but we did it. So after a successful and tiring hike at Canyon Overlook Trails, we decided to stop for some ice cream, enjoy the scenery before we start heading back to the RV campground. Like your ice cream, Ethan?
Mm-hmm.
What flavor is it?
Cotton candy.
What about you, Fia? Oh, you got two?
I got two too.